Hello and welcome back to another video, Majid. Today we are back with another quick crypto video. Okay, today I want to address, ladies and gentlemen, what is wrong with Pulse Chain and how do I feel about it? Okay, and my answer is to be quite honest with you guys, nothing. I don't see anything wrong with Pulse Chain. It is going through its phase, it's doing its thing. The reason with the fear index being this low as less banking highlights, shout out to him by the way, as he says, seems accurate. Pulse Chain users crying over their bags when they're personally chosen not to DCA the bottom or make trades to grow their bags. Can't help everyone. This is kind of true, okay, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people, fudding and just people sell at a loss. And that just goes back to why you want to be a disciplined trader. You know what I mean? If I invest, for example, in Hex, I put in $500 and now it's, for example, worth $400. If I sell now I have realized my loss. But right now, because I didn't sell, it's unrealized loss. Okay. And either way, it's an investment, it's a long term investment. I don't care about the short term. In a year time, if it's gonna be $1 plus, why do I even care about what the price is gonna be right now? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please, you need to understand when you have an investment, you need to anticipate, okay, is this for long term? Is this for short term? XYZ. The next tweet I want to highlight, some good news about Pulse Chain. Hey guys, I want to share with you guys. Okay, this video is a reminder to everyone that detach your emotional response from the market. Okay, you're looking at numbers, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking at this is natural, just like how Fibonacci is natural. It's kind of like a miracle. The next thing that's kind of like a miracle or um, incredible, right, is the Hart's law. Okay, and Hart's law is actually a pretty interesting concept, and I think it makes absolute sense just how liquidity pairs bonding, and it's kind of like a waterfall. You know what I mean? It's like a rhythm effect that happens. And this is where I've seen a lot of people talk about, Bitcoin is going up, but Pulse Chain is not. What's going on? And then yes, okay, Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up, but why didn't Pulse Chain? Guys, you need to understand that the liquidity pair between Bitcoin and Ethereum is so much bigger that obviously the immediate effect comes to Ethereum much sooner. The correlation is much stronger, right? But if you think about it with Pulse Chain, it will need to take time. You know what I mean? Everything has a turn. Don't worry. I feel like it's kind of that waterfall effect will happen sooner or later. And plus, as I said, ladies and gentlemen, it is the holidays. It's Christmas. Not a lot of people are going to be, spending, but reinvesting at these times. So don't expect that much. Okay. Take this time as a reaccumulation. Reaccumulation, growing your bag. A lot of things are super cheap right now. Now, if you ask me, what I mean, are you still, you know, heavy on Atropa? Are you still heavy on PDI? Of course I am, ladies and gentlemen. Of course I am. I'm holding my bag happily, happily, going looking at all these, red bloody markets. Of course I'm fine, man. You know what I mean? TSFI, I'm good with that. Up and up, you guys already seen my video. I'm good on that. I'm almost gonna probably DCA in that actually. PDAT, I got a million of that. Teddy Bear, I'm really happy with that. Atropa, I got a lot. I think that's a lot in my sense, at least in my definition. You know what I mean? I'm very happy. Have I sold some? No. SRF. You know what I mean? It went down to 15K market cap. You know what I mean? I'm happily top 10 holders in SRF. I'm holding. I'm holding. The liquidity is on this is, you know what I mean, extremely sorry, not this one, not the PLS. It's the Atropa one, is the heavier one. Yeah, liquidity is so little, it's crazy that, guys, you need to understand it's the same concept that goes to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great investment, okay? But just because of how big the market cap is, or actually no, market cap doesn't really matter, it's just a number. But big how the liquidity in Bitcoin is, it's not going to do that much excess, okay? If we're thinking like, okay, maybe from here to next 5 years, I don't know, Bitcoin 500K, Bitcoin 400K, 300K, you know what I mean? Next 5 years, I think so. Yeah, that's doable, but that's not that much excess when you think about what can Pulse Chain do, what can Atropa do, what can PDI do, Pulse X can do, Hex can do. You know what I mean? So, what am I going to really invest in? Don't get me wrong, though. You have safe investments, and then you got more risky investments. Diversify your, crypto portfolio. That's the whole point. You wanna spread your risks so that if one falls, you're absolutely fine. Okay? You won't feel any pain in the heart. You know what I mean? No resentment. Oh my God, you know what I mean? Same thing, even with Titan X, by the way, guys. Okay, I love Titan X. I think it's so bullish. But at the end of the day, it cannot be a majority investment. It cannot. You have to be a disciplined investor. You're doing something wrong if Titan X is over 10% of your crypto portfolio, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 15% max. If it's 15 over 15% of your crypto portfolio, you know what I mean, you're gambling at that point. That's gambling. Okay. I mean, it could be calculated risk. Don't get me wrong, honestly. We've had to go through those times where, you know what I mean, I went all in. You know what I mean? For example, in 2020, no, early 2022, when I was investing XYZ, last to my down to my last $1,000, I put it all in drip in like December 2021. It literally, that was my last shot, ladies and gentlemen. That was my last shot. I was new to YouTube at that time as well. That was my last shot, and I said, if this doesn't work, I'm out of crypto forever. It was going to be the make or break, and I did a big risk that I would never advise anyone to do. But everyone has their moments. You know what I mean? You have to trust your gut sometimes. Okay? No amount of trend analysis, no amount of reading articles, no amount of, algorithms with the what's this one called? The MCD, I've got MACD. You know what I mean? No amount of indicators will help. Sometimes trusting your gut is the best thing to do. You know what I mean? It's as natural as the Fibonacci sequence, which is actually why I really like the Fibonacci retracement, but that's for another topic. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, honestly, I am absolutely happy to be in Pulse Chain. You know what I mean? I'm invested. Yes, I'm in Titanex. A lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, look, the influencers are gone away. No, 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 no. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, you follow where the money goes. If there's going to be money to be held or made in BNB, in the Binance Smart Chain, I'm there. I'm going there. I'm going there. You know what I mean? I don't have no one wallet that I'm just going to invest in just Pulse Chain and be, you know what I mean, loyal to it. Don't marry your bags. That's where the phrase comes from, ladies and gentlemen. Follow the money, you know what I mean? But don't marry your bags at the end of the day. Okay? When PDAG goes to 1 cent, to 10 cents, 50 cents, dollar, you know what I mean? Like, okay, take your profits. What are you waiting for? You have to be disciplined, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Play with house money. Learn to take your initial out. Learn to DCA. If you don't know if you're buying at the top or you're buying at the bottom, what's the best thing to do? DCA, dollar cost average. And then if you split it in, okay, I'm gonna buy a bag, split it into 10 payments. That will be every 2 days or every week. By that time, the price finds itself. You would actually have a better average price entry because you DCA'd. You know what I mean, ladies and gentlemen? Anyways, what's happening with Pulse Chain? I think it's all part of the plan. And plus, Richard Hart is not really talking about much about, Pulse Chain, like, for example, PWBTC, right? The farms, we would love that single side staking. I think part of what Richard Hart, what is he doing? He's probably holding off, waiting till every weak-handed person is out, really out. And I think as well at the same time, it's because it is to do with December, where it's like holidays. I think January, ladies and gentlemen, I'd be worried. Not financial advice. I'd be worried if I didn't have enough, if I wasn't satisfied with my bags. Because January and over, you know what I mean? Bitcoin is already over 40K. Bull run is literally ticking. TikTok liquid loans is doing absolutely well. And don't get me wrong, ladies and gentlemen, you can absolutely provide liquidity to loan/WPLS. Look at this. Look at this. Liquidity to volume ratio, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? This is probably over 200% APR. If you want to make money right now from today, this is one of the ways, not financial advice. Right now, today, right now. You know what I mean? This is one of the ways. Simple as that, honestly. At the same time as well, you got Atropa/WPLS. That's another good one. Why? It's because the liquidity to market ratio. So if I type Atropa/WPLS, it's one of the better 414 LPs to go into. Look at it's almost 1-to-1 liquidity to volume. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, well, I just got proven wrong. I was probably looking at something else. Okay, it's not the best one to really go in, but you can still provide LP. Don't get me wrong. You know what I mean? Because these are at the floor prices. So impermanent loss here, you know what I mean? It's not that bad. Well, obviously, if this does 100x, you're not gonna get the full benefits because if you're providing LP, but there's strategies to it. You can put half of your bag in LPs, half of your bag holding. Simple as that, really. There's just one more, tweet I just wanted to talk about. Well, obviously this and reminder that fees on POS are still 9,000 times cheaper than Ethereum and 35,000 times cheaper than Bitcoin. Okay, just a few reminders. POS is doing absolutely perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the POS. You've been clickbaited. This title is a clickbait, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you don't mind it. Okay, I really hope you don't mind it, but it has to be a reality check. Okay, we're in a phase. Relax. Go enjoy your holidays. Honestly, take a step back from charts. Take a step back from charts. You want to make money? You know what I mean? You're worried, oh, it's a bloody market. No, there is actually still ways to make money. The loan slash WPLS. You know what I mean? There's a stability pool. There's staking. That's how you make money. Like, hey, John, look, yeah, yeah. Twitter is a good place. Watching my videos is a good place as well. Like and subscribe. Join as a member. Become a DeFi Insider. I got 2 videos of what I'm holding, where I literally turned $150 into 1.2K plus. But not financial advice. I'm not saying that you're gonna do it, but I'm just saying what am I holding right now besides Pulse Chain that is exclusive. Become a DeFi Insider, and you will get the intel's worth of the money that you're paying me. That's a promise, at least. Um, yeah. And yeah, join my Telegram link in description as well, the farmers community. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to make this video any longer. Shout out to Freedom777. He said, this year has been a huge opportunity to be able to work hard and accumulate a great position in PLS, PulseX, HEX, and PRC20s. Okay, guys, don't forget, okay, about the absolute one in a lifetime opportunity. PDI, 99.96% difference from its pegging. Wrap BTC, 99.76% away from its pegging. It's actually probably lower because the price here is not updated. It's like $59 right now. You know what I mean? Extreme, fearful right now, guys. It's fearful. Read about Hart's law and how it describes that the prices of assets that trade against each other tend to move with each other because the liquidity bonds them in their trading pair. And he gives an example. Really great article, Medium article. I'm going to leave that in the description. Hopefully, if I don't forget. But shout out to the guy who wrote it. What's not on the news? I believe that's the name of the profile. Oh, written by Jason. So shout out to Jason and Mohammed Aman. So yeah, Hart's Law. Go look into it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here it says, "I do not fear what I see in on a chart because I have deep conviction in the things I believe in. I believe in freedom, and I know Pulse Chain is freedom. Patience and gratitude is key, and every great thing has its appointed time. I think Richard Hart is the best founder in crypto and is leading the charge into the next era of cryptocurrency. I did not get into Hex early like many others. I'm grateful to be here, and Pulse Chain is my biggest investment. That is true. Okay, I mean that is true. I put my money where my mouth is, and I try my best with my words and actions too. I'm excited and hyped for the future, and I hope you are too. If the days are dark, be the light. We have the forge. We have to. I'm reading really badly right now. Give me a break. We have to forge our purpose and stack our convictions. No one is going to do that for us. Pulse X, PRC20. You know, who's still positive about Pulse? Me. Right now it's times of darkness. And as Freedom said, I'm gonna be the light by making this video. Clickbaited you guys all, but giving you guys a reminder. It's absolutely fine. I'm not changing up any agenda. I just haven't made a video about a Tropa ecosystem, Richard ecosystem. It's fine. I got other videos to make. I'm still holding this. I'm putting my money. You know what I mean? I'm putting my money where my mouth is, ladies and gentlemen. Right? This is actually my investment. My YouTube channel is an actual journey. But in the meantime, what am I gonna do? While I just wait for the market to do its thing, you know what I mean? Go outside, hit the gym, look after our health, ladies and gentlemen, okay? As important as our wealth is, health is actually more important, okay? So look after yourselves. What's money when you're short on time? Okay, guys, I really hope you're looking after your health. Enjoy your time. These are, special times for a lot of people. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, still towards the end of the year, you got New Year's. You know what I mean? You got your New Year's resolution. Some people, you know, put in some actions that you want to take, you want to improve. Be a new you for New Year's. You know what I mean? Not just look into crypto. We talk about, wealth, relationships with family, etc., loved ones. And for me, one of them, I want to finish this book. Robert Greene, man, what a legend. Um, so yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I don't want to make this video any longer than what it is. It's just a reminder, Pulse Chain is still bullish. Nothing is wrong with Pulse Chain, and I believe it's true DeFi. Okay, Ethereum, yes, has its place. Absolutely, whales are sitting there right now. Big time money to make in there. Okay, but sooner or later, that liquidity is going to slowly but surely come over to Pulse Chain, and everyone is welcome. I just want to let you guys know. Everyone is welcome, and thank you very much for watching. Take care. You can join today as a DeFi insider and support my channel and get the intel you want to hear. Take care.